Hello everyone, I will start the third video, step 8, web server log monitoring. If you start the web server, maybe web server will record all log. So maybe in a few months, your web server log will be so many. So in this case, you need to install web server log monitoring program like a Webalizer. Webalizer is very simple and light program to record all the log using the graphics. Okay, here I will explain. First, you need to install Webalizer using yum, and after that, you need to configure this file. Configuration file, normally this one, etc/webalizer-conf. If we finish the configuration, then you can start webalizer-c/etc/webalizer-conf. As a default, the Webalizer is not allowed to access from the remote. At first, normally Webalizer permit access from only local host. In this case, you need to adjust or change this file. Testing local host usage or your main domain and usage. Okay, then let's start. At first, package checking. In my case, I don't have, so install. Okay, yes. Okay, I'm successful. Then I will configure Webalizers. Okay, here. First, let's check the log file. Here, log file path. In my case, the Apache web log file saved in this directory var log http access log. And after that, line number 36. Here, okay, here, so the log file is of types. So normally we use the CLF type. And after that, Webalizer, if the Webalizer collect the log file and make a file, then normally save in this directory var ww usage. And 52 your history name, and the Webalizer also save their history to this file. And 67 incremental, yes, normally Webalizer support the incremental of the log files. And okay, line number 83. This one will be the title for, okay, in my case, www.chul.com. Okay, and the host name will be, in my case, not the local host, in my case, server.char.com. Okay, and that's all. So after your service http restart, and after that -c etc. Okay, then let's test. Here, localhost. Okay, in my case, it's working main directory. Localhost USAGE. Okay, here you can find this kind of log files. In my case, February 2013. So here, monthly statics or heat or the daily statics or hourly statics or the type A total URLs you are using now in your web servers. So here you can find this kind of information, but char.com. So in this case, forbidden. So let's solve this one. etc conf d here you can find, okay, this file because of this one. This is a kind of access control. So in my case here, okay, I will add make 192.168.80.25. So and have the service HTTPD restart. Okay, then let's try again. Okay, now we can use www.chul.com. So now in this case, using the main domain, I can access to directory usage. So here also I can see the default informations. Okay, this is Webalizer. Okay, step 9. This one is also web server log monitoring program. Here I will introduce AWStats. This one is more specific than Webalizer. So I will show you how to set up. First, I need to install 3 packages AWStats per GeoIP data. GeoIP or GeoIP data means geography IP. So in the log file, if you have the IP address, then this IP address will point the exact location also. Okay, if you are successful to install this kind of packages, then AWStats normally save the configuration file here, etc AWStats. So here you need to move or change the file. The default file AWStats localhost.localdomain.conf. So here you need to change like this. AWStats that, in my case, the main domain www.chul.conf like this. And after that, open this file using VI, and after that, you need to configure this kind of 5 sentence. Logo file, the exact path of logo file, and the domain name and host alias means my main domain. And if AWStats the correct exact data, then this one will save this data to this directory var/ww/html AWStats. And if you install the GeoIP, in this case you need to load this module like this, GeoIP standard and exact the directory. If you install this one, the data will save this directory var/library GeoIP dot like this. And after that, now you need to move. If you install the AWStats, normally AWStats will stay here var/ww/AWStats. So here you have to change to this directory html/AWStats, and then the ownership change like this Apache like this. And now you need to configure this one AWStats. Here you need to add this option follow symbolic link, and here also you need to change some the path, exact path like this, and after that Apache restart. And after you move to this directory, you need to start this command. AWStats normally use the Perl script. So here you can use like this. Then the Perl script will start the log file collection and save to this directory. Testing www.chul.com/AWStats and AWStats.pl. Then you can find the log file using GUI. Okay, then let's go back. Okay, here let's start installation first. In my case, AWStats. Okay, then start installation and Perl GeoIP and geo IP data. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, which one? Okay, I'm sorry. Here I miss L. Okay, L. Okay, here. Okay, then let's just start. Yes. Okay, I'm successful to install. Here now, let's check. Perl GeoIP, GeoIP datas, GeoIP. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. GeoIP data already. Okay, then let's install again. Perl GeoIP. Okay. Okay, now this one is already installed. Okay, let's check. Okay, and after that, geo. Okay, here Perl GeoIP and GeoIP datas. Okay, then now, okay, here. So at first, let's move. Okay, here I found this one. Okay, here I need this file awstate.www.chl.com conf. Okay, here at first let's check log file. Okay, line number 51. So in my case, var log httpd access log. Here I will save the log file. And after that, the site domain. Okay, in my case, like this, site domain chul.com, and host alias like this www.ch. This is my main domain, and after that dir datas. Okay, here I will save data for AWState here. var www/html/awstate like this, and load plugin, especially GeoIP. Okay, GeoIP standard format. Okay, line number 1421. So here, in my case, here, okay, let's check another console. var. Okay, here you can find this one. Okay, then. Okay, then let's move var www to here. So here I will move this one to HTML. Yes, permission ownership wn -r apache dot apache. Okay, then let's check. Okay, here, this one, and permission ownership like this. And now let's go cd conf d. Okay, here you need to configure this file. Okay. First, check the ejected path. In my case, okay, here, and also, okay, and this one also. Okay, and after that, I will add one more options. Follow sim links. And this one also support access control like this. So in my case, I will change this one 192.168.80.25. Okay, then I finish. Service HTTP restart. Then now, okay, here you can find this kind of script. So here I will use for config FIG my main domain char.com and update. Okay, now you take like this, then let's test. Now here ts AWStats.pl. Okay, here you can find. So this one, AWStats, the support was supply more detail or more specific data compared to Webalizers. So here, history of the months or the who access or many download informations and version informations or unknown like this. So this one will support more detailed information compared to Webalizers. So here I explain the web server log monitoring program like Webalizer and AWStats. Okay, in next video, I will explain about the proxy server using Skit. Thank you for watching this video and see you in next video.